Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our class. I'm your instructor Adil Raza, and today we have to discuss about SLO from grade 6 unit 7, and most probably it's our lecture 4. Let's start with the competency and then we will go through the SLO. What is the competency? We have a competency of grammar and the lecture name is lecture 3, but it's our fourth lecture because we have read a lecture 2A and 2B. So that's why it's our third lecture, but as far as the chapter hierarchy is concerned, we have this fourth lecture. So the topic is abbreviation in dictionaries. So you guys will definitely listen or know about the abbreviations. Today we have to discuss these abbreviations, and also we have to go through what dictation is and how to write the dictation of the paragraphs. Let's go further and we have to look at the SLO. Let's find what the SLO is. The SLO is that understand various abbreviations used in a dictionary. So we have to clarify that how these abbreviations are used in the dictionary and how we will find out such type of abbreviations in the dictionary and how we understand the words through the use of these abbreviations. So our focus for today's lecture will be on the abbreviations. Second SLO there is that they take dictation of paragraph text of grade level. So we have to know about the dictation and dictation of the paragraphs according to our grade. And lastly, we have a SLO of vocabulary, keep a record of words, word wall, word bank or word journal. So guys, when we know about the dictionary and when we go through the words and abbreviations from the dictionary, it will automatically boost our vocabulary and it will automatically get to know about some unfamiliar words, and from such type of unfamiliar words you can make a list or a word bank or a word wall in your classroom. So that's why this SLO will automatically be addressed through the reading of the first SLO. Here is the vertical linkage. I hope you guys got it. Then we have to go through a brainstorming session. There is a brainstorming question. Let's do the brainstorming session. What the brainstorming prompt is? Have you ever seen some shortened forms of words written in the dictionary? So what the shortened forms which are mentioned there, shortened form of, like, you guys have ever seen the word organization written in such type of manner, org and a dot. So such type of shortened form I was talking about. These type of shortened forms are the main topic of discussion for this lecture, and our SLO is about such type of shortened forms. So like org, inc, these types of shortened forms are considered as abbreviations, and these abbreviations are used in the dictionary. And why they are used in the dictionary, let's find out through the reading of the definition and its importance and its use. So what the definition is? An abbreviation is the shortened form of a term. So abbreviation can be a shortened form of a term, like we have a term organization and the shortened form is org. We have a term like international and we can use the short form int. Such type of shortened forms are considered as abbreviations. In many comprise the first letter of the words of a phrase or be the contracted from a word. So these abbreviations are deduced from the words or the phrases, or sometimes it may be deduced from a clause. Like we have an example of NASA, we have an example of NATO. So what is NATO? NATO is an abbreviation of the full form of North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So such type of contractions are considered, such type of shortened forms are considered as the abbreviation. We have example like the Doctor Strange. So there the word doctor is the abbreviated form of the complete word doctor, and there we have the abbreviation example of captain, it is the full form, it is the shortened form of the captain. So Dr. Strange and Captain Nemo attended the UN. There is an other abbreviation UN, which is the full form of United Nations. So that's why such type of abbreviations are used across the text and in the dictionary. So through reading this one sentence, we will find many abbreviations like Dr. Strange and Captain Nemo. First abbreviation, second abbreviation, attended the UN conference, third abbreviation, on DNA research. So what is DNA? DNA is also an abbreviation, a term used in biology held in the UK. So UK is also an abbreviation of United Kingdom. So you guys will definitely know about the abbreviations and how such abbreviations are used, why these abbreviations are used. These abbreviations are used in the dictionaries or in the text for the sake of saving the time or for the sake of saving the place. Writers use them to present big terms in the shortened forms. So I hope you guys understand what the abbreviations are. Let's go further and look at some further examples which will clarify you. We have further examples like UK, EU, European Union, TIN, CEO, Chief Executive Officer, WHO, World Health Organization, MS, KG, ETC, etc., AMIE. So there are a number of abbreviations used in English language like junior, senior, corporation. So these are the abbreviations which you guys have definitely witnessed in the text, and across the text you have reading, maybe from some of the abbreviations you find in the science subject, some of them you will definitely see in the English book. So these are the abbreviations and they are also used in dictionaries. They are also mentioned in the dictionaries. How they are mentioned in dictionaries? Let's look at them through the example of a dictionary. So we have a page from Oxford Learners Advanced Learners Dictionary, and there we can see that there are a number of abbreviations used, like there the abbreviation ADV dot is used for the adverb. Here the abbreviation used ADJ dot for the adjective, and there are a lot of abbreviations like there is another. So you guys can identify number of abbreviations throughout one page of the dictionary, and it's not the complete page indeed, it's just a chunk from the Oxford Learners Dictionary. So you guys see that how dictionary use the abbreviation, how abbreviations are used in the dictionary. These abbreviations are used in the dictionary for saving time and place of the reader, and they will clarify the term, presents the term in a more enthusiastic way. So I hope you guys understand. Now look at our second SLO, which is about the dictation. So you guys definitely know about the dictation. What dictation is? Dictation means to write something through the listening. So you guys know about the words, the spellings of the words and the structure of the words. Then you guys listen from your teacher or someone else, and then you guys write by yourself with appropriate writing, with appropriate structure, in a good manner. So you have to dictate the paragraphs, and this is a paragraph from your lesson on page 59. So you guys have to dictate this paragraph. For the sake of write a better dictation, what you guys have to do? You guys have to read the paragraph first correctly, and then you have to identify the terms used in the paragraphs, and all these terms, what you guys have to do? You have to memorize the spellings and the structures of the paragraph of these words which are unfamiliar or a little bit tough or complex. So through identification of the complex words, what you guys will do? You will enlarge your vocabulary knowledge, you will enlarge the knowledge of the words which are unfamiliar for you, like unethical, against, typically, offering, benefits, exchange, something. So these are the words. While preparing for the dictation, you guys also can prepare yourself for vocabulary or the unfamiliar words. So that how it is the way through which you guys can prepare the dictation and also make a word wall, also make the words list, unfamiliar words list from the from your lesson, and will definitely contribute to your language knowledge. So here is the classroom activity. What you guys have to do, you guys have to take dictation. The teacher will take dictation of a paragraph, so you guys have to write a paragraph. Firstly, read the chapter carefully, identify the spellings, memorize the spellings, and then write when your teacher was dictating or will be dictating. So let's go further. We have a simulation link. Go through this simulation to understand the SLO in a better way, to make your understanding of the SLO in a more we can say that in a more compact way. So let's go further. We have a worksheet. You guys have to attempt this worksheet. This worksheet is in front of you. Here you guys have to write the full forms of the abbreviated words. So let's go further. We have a homework. What you guys have to do in the homework, let's see. Write 10 abbreviations and their full forms. So because our SLO was abbreviations and abbreviations used in dictionary, so you guys have to use a dictionary, go through the dictionary, identify the words with the abbreviations, and write the 10 abbreviations for the 10 unfamiliar words. So it's your homework, which will be like the touchstone for checking is the SLO, either the SLO is achieved or not. Let's go further. We have a resource pack. This resource pack will help you to achieve the SLO, or will definitely contribute to your student learning outcome. I hope you guys understand the topic. I hope you guys understand the SLOs. You guys have achieved the SLOs. You guys understand what the abbreviations are, how they used in dictionary, why they used in dictionary, and what dictation is, and how to prepare yourself for dictation, and how to make word walls or enlarge your words knowledge, enlarge your vocabulary. I hope you guys understand. If you find any issue, any problem, any confusion, any doubt, you guys can ask in the comment section, and also ask from your teacher. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.